All right, this is just a little bit clarification on this string homework assignment. It's basically going to be a program with comments, and you have to fill in based on what is in the comments of the program. So you'll need to get this file, stringhomework.java, so you can just click on it and download it. Right, so what I like to do is just go find that in my downloads. Right, so wherever you downloaded it, find it, copy it, then go into Eclipse, and then just paste it. So you can put it in your chapter 2 programs or whatever, but just paste it right in there. You might have to hit refresh again sometimes. When you paste, you have to hit refresh. But at any rate, I already have it in there. So once you have it in there, it'll look like this. And then you just have to fill in. So like we have to make a third string with smarmy as what the text is for it. Then you have to display the length of string 1 using a system out print line, etc., right? So you'll see the commands here. This is to make sure that you know how to do these different commands. And I know you could look back at previous notes and programs and stuff, but try to remember it as best you can. And then if you get stuck, then look back at those. All right, that practice of trying to recall how to do it is what's the real value of this assignment. Once you have it completed, I'm just going to have you turn it into your Google Drive turn-in folder. So remember, you go to the shared with me, search for turn-in, and then boom, you'll find it there. All right, hopefully that clears it up. If there's any more confusion, just send me an email. Thanks for watching.